everybody. So today I kind of felt like trying to do a Halloween look for myself because I just want to do one. Yeah. So I have nothing better to do. Well, I kind of do. I have homework I should be doing. But I don't really know how to like get into this, but basically I just kind of want to do a sugar skull look. Maybe try some variations. Don't really know. We're gonna see because I don't really know. But I really love Halloween, and I'm really interested in trying to do like a different look, you know, like something kind of fun. And Halloween is literally like a week away, so I might as well just go ahead and do one because I'm not late yet, so I can do this. And if you want to do it, you can too. But yeah, so basically this is my look that I had on today for class. So what do you guys think? Be honest. Low-key really living for this look. I think honestly it's the lashes that are doing it for me, and this lip. I've never done a lip like this on me, and for a minute there I honestly thought this looks a little deathly on me because I'm so fair. Like I might be pushing, you know, like you might be pushing it kind of thing. I won't be showing you how to do this look, but if you want me to, I can. You know those days when you really just don't want to take your makeup off because you like it? That's me right now. So just a brief description of what my eye makeup is, in case you were wondering. I basically used the Milani Soft and Sultry palette. I got this at Walmart yesterday, and it's the Cool Tone palette. I've been trying to get into cool tones ever since like I tried that Nightingale palette. It's not my favorite palette, but like I only have one cool tone, and I was watching this YouTuber, I believe her name is Nicole Cutler. I like watching her, and she reviewed this, and she was like, this is a really good like drugstore cool tone palette. So I was like, well then I'm gonna buy it. So I bought it, and it is cheaper at Walmart, by the way, if you are interested in getting it, or any of the other palettes, because apparently they're like $20, but this was $15 at Walmart, so save $5. And then since we're on the topic of Walmart, I also bought these scrunchies, these velvet scrunchies. So I have a pink, a red, and like this flower detail, if you can see. It is so cute, and I love them so much. So I got them yesterday, and that's all I've been wearing. Also, look at this. Look at this fuzzy one. So I saw this cute little guy at Walmart, and Nicole Cutler also told me that she got this at Walmart, so I bought it, of course. So yeah, it is so freaking comfy. I've worn this for the past 2 days straight now, and I love it so much. I love it. So, and it was like 20 bucks. So, and by the way, my lips are a combination of the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit shade in Nudie Patootie, and also the NYX lip liner in Nude Truffle. All I did was, honestly, lining your lips beforehand is kind of useless, so I just went in with this, and then I took this liner and, you know, darkened up the edges so it didn't look like my foundation color. And then also with that, I just took these e.l.f. lashes. So this is the style Starstruck. I don't know why I want to keep saying shade, but that's what that is. And that's what's on my lashes right now. Look at them. Look at them. These are so freaking cute. I love them so much. These are like everyday lashes that you can just like spruce it up a little bit. So low-key, I don't want to take this makeup off just because of the lashes, but I'm going to take it off because I need to do a makeup look. If I could get them off, holy crap. There. My biggest fear is always ripping out lashes. Ow! Oh, that one's attached. That one's attached. Oh, frick. Oh ho ho. Oh ho. See kids, this is what happens when you put it too close to your lash line. Learn from me. Now onto the actual purpose of this video. I'm going to go ahead and just remove my lipstick. So I don't really think I'm going to take off my foundation or anything because honestly I'm just going to be using the Wet n Wild paint pots. So I have the black and the white right here. And basically a sugar skull is the color of a skull, which is essentially in a cartoonistic form, black and white. So just realized I don't want to ruin this, so I'm gonna have to take this off. So I'm not gonna go in fully blind on this idea because it's not that I can't, it's just I don't want to. So I basically have some ideas drawn out right here. You can probably not see them at all, but they're right here, and I think I'm gonna try out this one, see how it goes. And if I don't like it, wash it off and do it again. So before I even look at the design, I should probably just go ahead and put the base on. So I'm gonna get my little foundation brush, any brush or just your fingers will do. And I'm just gonna put this Wet n Wild paint pot on my face. Alright, here we go. Just gonna go ahead and just paint the whole thing white, and we'll figure it out from there. Sound good? Sounds good. I don't really know the proper way to really put this on in the first place. Like, you know, I kind of assume you just brush it on, or you use maybe your fingers. I don't know. Oh, that's gonna take forever. Yeah, no. I will say this thing is so freaking patchy. Like, your brush strokes will show up everywhere. And oh, I'm gonna have to get my hairline, aren't I? That's gonna be fun. I washed my hair today anyway, so whatever. I'm gonna come right back after, like, I maybe do one more coat and try to make this look a little more opaque, so BRB. Okay, so I actually went ahead and I set this with the Coty Airspun powder, and it kind of like darkened up the white, but like obviously you can still see it's there. So I'm gonna paint my lips white, but I'm just not gonna do that yet. But I think I'm going to take the Wet n Wild paint pot that's in black, and I'm going to start drawing out the designs on my sugar skull I drew. Oh god, this is gonna be harder than I thought. Okay, so I went like this, so I'm gonna go like... Oh, this is gonna be so much harder than I thought. Oh. You know what? You know what's gonna make this sugar skull special? Because it's not perfect. So we're gonna go with that, okay? I'm just gonna go back in and retrace everything so it looks a little darker and nicer. Okay, so this is kind of what it's looking like. I'm going to fill in my eyes, and then I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put some pink or purple. Ooh, should I do purple? Yeah, let's do blue. So this is from Bitsy Nail and Body Glitter. Now this is literally from Sally's Salon, so you can get it there for really cheap. I'm just going to go in with some colorful glitter. Any glitter will do. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot. I had two other little designs I wanted to do. So I'm going to do a little heart right here, and then I'm going to do my lips right here and do kind of a little heart on my lips. Now I'm going to go in with white and cover up my lips. Oh, that was a dumb idea. Don't blot your lips like I do. I don't know why I did that. Why did I blot again? Vivian, do you ever learn? I'm trying so hard to keep this white and not gray. You have no idea. Okay. And I blotted. What the heck is wrong with me? Don't blot, don't blot, don't blot. Does that look like a heart? We're gonna go with it. Okay. 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 I feel like I should just get rid of this little ugly ugly attempt I tried to do, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna take this off because I'm gonna go ahead and just fill in my eyes. I hope this is safe. I think you can put this on your eyeballs. I just totally remembered I need to fill in the circle part. Okay, we're getting somewhere. So, I'm gonna do the other eye. And then I think I am going to set this with some black eyeshadow. I blotted my lips. No! This is not my day. Okay, I'll be right back. Just... Okay, so this is kind of what I look like right now. But I went ahead and went in with this Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I put the black all over where I put black paint just to set it, and it actually darkened it. And then I went in with this shade right here and put that in the heart because I decided I was going to go with blue. And I don't really know if you're going to be able to see through this, so that's why I put a blue down just in case. But now what I'm going to do is take some glitter glue, which is from NYX. By the way, go to Marshall's and go and get these little shadow switch cleaners. They really work and it's so awesome. I've been looking for one and this thing was only $5. So now I'm just going to fill it into the heart. Now taking this Bitsy glitter, I'll tap a little in the lid. Yeah, it's pretty transparent, so it's a good thing I did put that color down. Go back in with some glue because it already dried. Ooh. Okay, that's kind of cool. Kind of digging that. Okay. So I'm actually just going to go ahead and do that on these, and we should be done. Okay, you guys, so this is kind of the final look. This is what it's looking like. What do you guys think? I think it's not bad for my first sugar skull. I like how the blue is in there though. Like, it definitely does need some color. I'm debating if I shouldn't even make this blue. Okay, so I just took a poll with my family and I'm going to do the bottom blue also. Okay, I like that better. I like that better. Okay, so I think that's all I'm going to do to my face. So this is kind of what I came up with, and then I thought maybe a little lace choker would look kind of nice with this. I'm not really sure, but so this is kind of what I came up with. Granted, I know this isn't anything like super extravagant or intricate or anything, But yeah, so this is what I came up with. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope it was easy for you to like follow along. Obviously you could tell I messed up a lot, okay? So if you are going to do this like for a Halloween look, even if it's not my look that I made, like I would definitely either practice it beforehand or definitely give yourself enough time to be able to make errors and fix it, because I made so many errors doing this, and this was the very first time I ever did a sugar skull. For my first one, I'm not mad at it, and I can only get better from here. So I need to stop blotting my lips. Okay you guys, so that's all I have for you in this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!